Hi everyone. Today we learn to write a short essay in 10 lines on the topic parrot. Let's start. First line is a parrot is the most popular of all the birds kept as a pet. Second line is parrot is mainly found in two colors, gray and green. Third line is parrots have a strong curved beak and sharp and powerful claws. Fourth line is parrots like to eat fruits, seeds and green chillies. Fifth line is parrot makes its nest in hollow parts of trees. Sixth line is a parrot is also known as talking bird and can be trained properly to talk with humans. Seventh line is a parrot can easily imitate humans. Eighth line is the lifespan of parrot is between 40 to 80 years. Ninth line is almost 350 varieties of parrots can be found all around the world. 10th line is parrot is a unique and amazing bird which should save it from extinction. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do like and share this video. Thank you.